The new MCP integration lets you instantly plug into Hack the Box content using your own AI agents, whether guided or run by your co-pilot from start to finish. It makes cybersecurity upskilling easier for non-technical teams while keeping training relevant to the AI tools cyber professionals actually use. You can also get real-time metrics and skill gap insights from a single secure endpoint. So let's jump into a scenario and see how you can solve it using your AI agent. Following your setup and having connected through the MCP using your access token, you can now request for the CTF events that are available within the CTF platform. Now, here we can see that we have the CTF tryout available, which is a public CTF. And I've already signed up with my team. If I wanted to sign up to another event, I would simply have to ask my AI agent to sign me up and, of course, select the corresponding team. Since we have joined, let's start exploring all the available scenarios within the event. What's cool here is that my agent has actually sorted the scenarios based on difficulty and it has also provided the points. But let's start with a very easy scenario such as Timecorp. So here I will simply request for my agent to solve Timecorp. This is not a scenario that we have previously run or downloaded, so we need to click continue to run it on the terminal. And here we can see that our agent has already identified the vulnerability and has crafted an exploit payload for us to run once we click continue. It looks like our command actually worked and our agent found the flag on the first try. So now let's submit it. So let's request from our agent to submit the flag. And once it actually does that successfully, we can see that it also gives us a brief walkthrough of the scenario. Having collected your flags or completed your scenario, if you require additional guidance, you can always ask your AI agent to offer a more detailed walkthrough. Finally, you cannot improve without feedback. This is why you can gain real time analytics and skill gap insights to improve your performance. So here's what we'll write in the prompt: can you retrieve my scores from my CTF? This is going to retrieve useful data that you can pipe into your LMS for measurable and efficient workforce readiness.